Hey y'all, how you doing today? Everything out here is turned to slush. The storm shifted up quite a bit, so we only got maybe 2 inches. We've been getting freezing rain for the last little bit, so everything's basically just melted off and running off. We're gonna go plow the driveway and get this done with. That was a bit easier said than done. Kind of got it cleared up enough that it's been kind of thawing out some, so we got it thawed the best we could, and or scraped up best we could, and encouraged it to thaw, rushed off the melt off down into the hauler. Got some other problems coming up. Eastern white pine here, that branch right over the chicken hut, the coop. There's that branch here right over the chicken coop. Them's both wanting to fall off. I'll come down here to the duck hut. It was reported there's an oak branch wanting to fall. Here's duck hut Quack Shack. I ain't seen the branch she's talking about. And she said there's an oak branch that wanted to fall. We had complete destruction of the meat bird pen. Fortunately, no birds was hurt. We did have some friends from church. We got their birds, and they were in there. Fortunately, they're smart and got out the way, and they're with the ducks now. But things like this gonna happen in inclement weather. Y'all stay warm and safe out there. It's gonna be another wild few days, and a week or so after, gonna be kind of rough with the cold tent moving in. But we appreciate each and every single one of y'all for tuning in. Hope you had a blessed and productive day. Y'all stay blessed now.